Do you feel that creating reels is harder than ever? That generating reels ideas, filming the content, and editing all of those reels take you days to create only one reel? Well, what if I told you that you can create the same amount of reels in minutes with the help of AI? In today's video, I'm going to show you my step-by-step of how to create engaging reels using the help of AI. And the best part is that you don't even have to appear on camera. You can take a look of the examples appearing on camera right now. I created all of these reels in less than 10 minutes. And I'm gonna show you how to create all of these amazing reels even if you never create a reel before. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva AI to create professional reels, the exact formula to create viral reels, and how you can repurpose those reels in more content pieces. But first, let me show you what actually makes a viral reel. The first step that people mostly overlook is what actually makes a viral reel. And there are three key elements that will make your reel go viral. The number one is statements on an engaging video. The second one is that for a reel, you don't really need the perfect production, which leads to the third part, creating content that drives value. So there are two types of reel creators, those that spend hundreds of hours trying to create one single reel, and then those that work smarter using the help of AI in generating amazing reels in minutes. So let me show you how you can create it. To start with this, first of all, you have to go and open your Canva account. So once you're in the homepage of Canva, over here, we're just gonna click in Create a Design. Then from here, you can go to the section of social media, and over here, I'm just gonna look for Reels. Over here, we have the Instagram Reel sizing. So I'm just gonna go and click over it. Once we open our design, it's here where the magic starts. What we have to do now is just clicking Generate Videos instantly. So now you can go and you can click over it. So once I'm in this section, it led me to choose up to 10 images or videos. And what I really like about Canva AI is that this AI will mix the videos and the images to generate my reel, which I really find very time saving. So I'm just gonna I'm gonna select the pictures and the videos that I want to add into my reel. And over here, as you can see, it asks me to describe the kind of video that I want to use. And this information, the AI will take it to generate my reel. And I'm gonna add vacation trips. So over here, we can click in Generate. And as you can see, it's gonna take a few minutes till it starts to generate my reel. So as you can see, the AI now generates my reel in less than 2 minutes. And I can go and check how it looks. So I'm just gonna I'm gonna play it, and it looks nice. It uses the videos that I put and also the pictures. So as you can see, it's mixing both. We have video and then we also have pictures over and over again. And then we have the last one. I really like it that I didn't have to go and put the text of my reel. I just put the idea and the AI completely gave the tips for my reel. I didn't even have to make each of the tips for my video. The AI did it everything. But in case that you still want to change some stuff, you can do it. So I really like it that we get the base of the video and then we can go and play around with the designing of this reel. So I can go and start to choose things. So let's say maybe I don't want this one here. We can go and choose the elements of our reel so it looks better. We can make this smaller. You can add more elements. You can keep playing around with all of these designs. So if you don't want to use that font that the AI generate for you, you can click over it and we can go and change it over here. You can go and change it to the one that you like the most. But for mine, I really feel like this font stands out very well. The only thing that I will be adjusting over here is mostly the location of the text. I don't really feel like it stands out good there. So I will just go and then change it, then just add it here. And we can even go like, I really like these elements, but I would like to add more, so we can just go duplicate it. And you can see that we have the same elements, but we just play around with the designing a little bit. We don't really have to create it from scratch. I'm gonna make the same for this, and then just adjust it a bit. I'm gonna make it smaller so it fits better. You can even adjust the rotation over here. So if I would like it to be more like high here, and then this one also here, and maybe I would like to add one here. And we can even go and then just keep customizing our reel. So you can go, as you can see, we have the balloon. I'm just gonna place it over here and then there. Just keep adjusting the spacing of my fonts, since that's the only thing that I would say that it's a bit too high for me. So I'm just gonna go and then just keep doing this. And then over here again, I will make this one is fine, so I'm just gonna make this smaller, and there we go. I think something like this will work very well. And even if you don't like how the timings are on your reel, you can keep adjusting as well here on Canva. And if you want to add more elements, we're just gonna go to the section of elements and then just add the elements that we want. So let's say we want a boat, search for it, we're gonna go to graphics, and from here you can add any element that you like. Another great AI that I find very useful when it comes to creating reels is creating our own music for the reels. And we can even use Canva to do this. First of all, I'm going to go to the section of elements, and over this section, I'm just going to go to the section of music. And from here, I'm just going to click in Use App. As you can see, now it gives me some options of the styles that I can choose to create my song. So from here, I think I'm going to be using Latin, I'm going to be using lounge, and I would say happy. So something like this, I think it will really fit into my reel, and we can go and create it. As you can see, over here we can go and select the duration for our music. Maybe like 18 seconds, because I think we have for maybe 19, because that's what we have in our reel. As we can see over here, we have 19 seconds. So I'm just gonna click in compose. And now it generates our music. So we can go and click in add to design. So over here it added in this section, so I'm just gonna pull it over, and then I'm gonna make the 19 seconds, and now it fits into my reel, and I can go and test how this sounds. And that was so nice by being created completely by AI. And now the last thing that we have to do is just go and download our reel. And to do this, I'm just gonna go and click in share. And on this section, I'm gonna click in download. Over here, it's very important that you keep it in MP4 video. And you can even go and adjust the quality for your video. And finally, we can go and click in download. Now you can use this method to be even more consistent on your Instagram Reels using the help of AI. You can create weeks of work under an hour. Now that you know how to create Reels using Canva AI, you might be wondering what else you can create with the help of AI. You can watch my video how to create coloring books to sell on Amazon using AI, link in the description. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video. Have a great day.